An issue today involving a young girl and some stomach pain. Joining us to answer this legal question on the law, new attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, how are you today?
Oh, just fine, Dave. Great. Just fine.
All right, we better get to this question. Pretty serious one here involving a little girl who is 8 years old. My daughter is 8 years old. She's been complaining about stomach pain for a week. We took her to the doctor 3 times, but he didn't do any tests. Her appendix burst, and she is having many problems now. Can we do anything, wonders Jessica in Dunmore.
Well, Jessica, yes, you can. Obviously, this would fall into the category of being a medical negligence case. And if your daughter was having these issues 3 times, and you took her 3 times, and they were getting worse, not better, and the doctor didn't run the appropriate tests and didn't make the diagnosis appropriately, and then ultimately, her appendix burst as a result of that misdiagnosis, then you definitely can have a medical negligence case against that particular doctor.
Well, I think we also need a little bit more facts, too, because regardless, she probably had to have a surgery to go in and clean it up. She probably would have had to have a surgery anyways. So we kind of need to know, what problems is she having as a result of the appendix bursting, because if she's having a whole bunch of infection issues and a whole bunch of other issues, then obviously the case would warrant someone to really take a much harder look at. Conversely, if it broke, they went and cleaned it up and she's doing pretty well, you may have the negligence, but you may not have enough damages to go forward.
All right, I know that medical negligence is something that you guys specialize in. So our viewers who are out there may not be sure if they have a case or not and they want an answer, how can they get in touch with you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And as we tell everybody, the main thing that you need to do is get a complete set of your records. The quicker that you could get them, not only in a medical negligence case, but any time, you're going to be in a much better position having somebody review the case and then knowing what's in those medical records as you move forward.
All right, good deal. For more information, a question you have here for the show, you want to head to pahomepage.com or the hotline. Attorneys Greg Fellerman or Ed Ceramboli. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.